hope to the masses, but I am blind to the need right in front of me. Help me remember life grows from the ashes. Open my eyes to see clearly. Lord, I am asking you, I am willing. Lord, won't you please help me do what you're bidding?
Jesus, to be what we could be.